how to cancel through a third-party billing provider, Paramount Plus. So if you want to cancel a Paramount Plus subscription billed through a third party, you must use that specific provider's platform, as Paramount cannot process these cancellation directly. So if you've used your Apple or iOS, then what you want to do is you just want to open up settings and you want to tap onto your iCloud or your name, and there you will be able to find subscription, and you want to locate Paramount and cancel subscriptions. So this is one way of doing it. So, and if you've used Google Pay or Google Play on your Android device, you just want to open up your respective Play Store, tap onto the profile at the very top, and there you have payment and subscription. You want to go to the subscription section, and this is where you will be able to find Paramount, and you just want to make sure to cancel it. And if you've used Roku, then you want to highlight the Paramount Plus channel on your home screen, and you just want to press the star button on your remote and select manage subscription, and just select cancel subscription. So this is another way of canceling. So this is how you're supposed to cancel through a third-party billing provider. And also make sure to remember that you need to make sure to cancel your premium or your subscription directly the way you've actually purchased the payment. So if you've used your Apple or an iOS device, then you want to do it from there. And if you use your Google Play or an App Store, you just want to make sure to go ahead and do it from there as well. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.